Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the Vijayanagara and Bahumani kingdom about. This is part 1 video. In this chapter we are going to understand about the establishment of Vijayanagara and Bahumani kingdom. Then second point is the dynasties which ruled Vijayanagara and Bahumani kingdoms. Then third point is achievements and contributions of Sri Krishna Devarayas. Then fourth one is the contributions of Vijayanagara Empire to the culture. Then fifth one is the cultural achievements of the Bahumani kingdom. The establishment of Vijayanagara Empire is a landmark in Indian history. The South Indian dynasties. The South Indian dynasties are the Yadavas of Devagiri, the Kakatiyas of Warangal, the Pandyas of Madurai, Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra or Halebidu, the Cholas of Tanjavur, were all the victims of violent attacks of the Alauddin Khilji. As a result, the political instability, lawlessness, fear, and religious turmoil prevailed everywhere. So, under these circumstances, the kingdom of Vijayanagara was born. It ruled for the 3 centuries. By the 15th century, it spread up to the Indian Ocean in the south side. So, this is north, east, west, south. It spread around by the 15th century. It spread up to the Indian Ocean in the south side. Bay of Bengal in the east, and Arabian Sea in the west side. Up to this kingdom was spreaded. Hakka and Bukka established this empire in the banks of the Tungabhadra river. Hakka and Bukka are the established of this empire in the year of 1336 century. Later, Hampi became the capital of Vijayanagara Empire. The Vijayanagara kingdom had to face the resistance of the following kingdoms that were present during this time: Delhi Sultans, Gajapathis of Orissa, and Bahumani kingdoms of northern Deccan. The 4 dynasties that ruled the Vijayanagara Empire. They are: first one is Sangama dynasty, second one is Saluva dynasty, third one is Tuluva dynasty, fourth one is Aravidu dynasty. The famous kings of Sangama dynasty is the famous king of Sangama dynasty. It was ruled around from the 1336 to 1486 century, where famous rulers are Harihara first, Bukkaraya, Harihara second, and Praudadevaraya. Harihara laid the foundation for the Vijayanagara Empire and developed a capital amidst new hillocks. Let us know about the Bukkaraya. Bukkaraya defeated the Reddis of the Kondavidu and merged Pennakonda area with Vijayanagara. Bukka was successful in the solving a religious war between the Jains and Sri Vaishnavas, thereby upheld religious harmony. The fact is revealed by one of the inscriptions in the Shravana Belagola. He constructed a fort and few temples in the capital and encouraged the agricultural activities. He constructed a fort and five temples in the capital and encouraged the agricultural activities. Bukkaraya sent an ambassador to the court of Chinese king belonging to the Ming dynasty. The Bukka's son Kampanna. This also you have to remember. The Bukka's son Kampanna defeated the Sultan of Madurai and enlarged his kingdom. This victory is marked in Mathura Vijayam. This victory was called as a Mathura Vijayam, written by Ganga Devi. Mathura Vijayam, written by Ganga Devi. Let us know about the Harihara. During the 27 years rule of Harihara II, the son of Bukkaraya, the Vijayanagara Empire comprised of the vast area. He took into his control Kondavidu. Kondavidu, Kurnool and Nellore forts. At the time of the death of the Bahumani Sultan Mujahid, Harihara II expanded his kingdom from the Goa to the north of the Konkana coast. Harihara II expanded his kingdom from the Goa to the north of the Konkan coast. He occupied the fort of Pangalaying to the north of Krishna river in the year of 1398 century. Do you know this? The writing of the commentaries on the Vedas was completed during his period only. Hence, Harihara II earned the title of Vedika Margasthapanacharya. This is the title of the Harihara II. He developed market in 26 important cities of his kingdom. Do you know this? Nicole Conti and the Italian traveler visited Vijayanagara and has recorded the interesting facts about the kingdom. He has revealed that the capital spread across the 60 square miles. Okay, in this video, this much only. On remaining part, we are going to discuss in next part. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you everyone.